Hi there, my name's Carrie Griffiths, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 top things I wish someone had told me when I first started singing. My name's Carrie Griffiths and I've been a singer for 22 years and I've been teaching for 16 years. Now, one of the first things that I wish someone had told me when I first started taking singing lessons all those years ago is that actually singing doesn't take any more effort than speaking does. Now, of course, there are techniques that help you to sing better, and there are things that you can do to make singing easier, and there are things that you can do to sound the way that you want to sound. But actually, when it comes down to it, singing takes no more effort than speaking. So what I see a lot of beginner singers doing is really pushing for it, really going for it, really going in for those words, for those notes and those lines with loads of effort, and they give it their everything. And all that does is put stress and tension on your voice. So when you remember that it doesn't take any more effort than speaking, singing becomes a whole lot easier and your voice flows much more freely. Now, the second thing that I wish someone had told me when I started singing years ago is, rather than thinking of higher pitches as being up, because what I see a lot of beginner singers do is reaching up when you're going for high notes, if you think of them along a horizontal line, so either horizontally in front of you, left to right, or stretching out in front of you, then you're less likely to reach up to the note and cause strain. And the third thing that I wish someone had told me 22 years ago when I first started singing is that exercises are not supposed to sound nice when you first start doing them. Now, the point of learning to sing is actually not to make you sound nice. You know, of course, we do want to sound nice. But when you learn to sing properly, what you're actually doing is protecting your voice and protecting your instrument so that you don't cause any unnecessary bruises, tears, strain in your vocal cords and in the muscles around your voice. And so what we actually do with the exercises is learn how to use the instrument properly. And the payoff is that it sounds nice and it sounds good. So when you first start doing some of the exercises, they don't actually sound nice. They sometimes can sound a bit harsh, sound a bit strange. You're not used to the way that they sound. You're not used to doing them. And people around you, if there's anyone listening, they expect that as soon as you start going to singing lessons, you're going to sing like a lark. And that isn't necessarily the case. There are lots of things that we have to go through to get to that point. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Remember to, if you have, to leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and make sure that you hit that bell so you never miss another video. I will see you very, very soon. Take care, stay hydrated. Ciao!